Are you responsible for managing corporate mobile devices in your organization? If so, you likely use MDM or TEM software, or maybe you're looking for solutions right now. Even with both MDM and TEM solutions, you will still be wasting $60,000 to $100,000 per year or more for every 1,000 corporate-owned devices. We can help reverse that trend almost overnight. Let's take a look at your missing solution. So, what happens when your users break devices, or when it's end of life for a portion of the devices in your portfolio? Most companies lack programs to enable fully automated device repair and disposition. Using the Unduit Wireless cloud-based apps platform, we can start a program in days with no upfront costs. And not just for one location, but regionally or nationally, including unlimited remote staff. We can extend the life of your assets, significantly increase end-of-life value, and drastically improve productivity within your team by saving massive amounts of time. Interested in knowing more? Watch the second demo video with more details on our program.